Hello and welcome to my channel Faridi Cuties and Creativities. In this video, I'll be teaching you all how to make DIY toys for your toddler. For this, we will need tissue paper rolls and toothpaste box. First, cut the edges of the box and take small size ball which can go through the box and tissue paper roll. To make it look attractive for baby, just cover it with craft paper or you can color it too. I will be coloring it. You can use any color. You can also use the color that your baby likes so that the baby get attracted. Coloring is not possible on paste box, so we will be putting craft paper on it. Now we'll be sticking this on the wall and we'll give the ball to the baby and ask the baby to pass through it. And the baby is surely gonna enjoy it. These are dual side sticky tape which I'll be using to stick the rolls. Just see how Miggibaby is enjoying it, and your baby is also surely gonna enjoy it. Put in this one. This game helps in building hand-eye coordination. For second activity, we'll need a box and some cards. Cover it with the craft paper. Now measure the size of the card and cut the box accordingly. The cut should be a bit longer than the card so that it's easier for the card to move in. You can then decorate the box with some colors or stickers. Now let's see how Miggy enjoyed it playing.
Wow!
This activity is also very helpful for hand-eye coordination. For next activity, we just need a bottle and some crayons. In this activity, we'll be asking the baby to aim the crayons into the bottle. Oh, will you enjoy? If you all found the video useful and would like to see Miggibaby and if I'm more, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Thanks for watching.